San Jose, California, Christmas in the Park. Christmas in the Park is an annual holiday tradition in San Jose, California. Here's some information about it. What is Christmas in the Park? Christmas in the Park is a festive holiday event held in downtown San Jose. It typically begins in late November and runs through December. The event features hundreds of Christmas trees decorated by local individuals, schools, and organizations. Visitors can stroll through the park and admire the trees, which are often creatively themed and adorned with lights and ornaments, activities, and attractions. In addition to the decorated trees, Christmas in the Park offers various attractions and activities for visitors of all ages. There are usually holiday displays, including scenes depicting Santa's workshop, a winter wonderland, and more. Families can enjoy rides such as a Ferris wheel, carousel, and train ride. Entertainment is often provided, including live music, dance performances, and visits from Santa Claus himself. Food and beverage vendors are typically available, offering holiday treats and warm drinks to enjoy while exploring the park. Admission. Admission to Christmas in the Park is usually free, although some attractions and activities may require tickets or additional fees. Donations are often encouraged to support the event and keep it running each year. Location. Christmas in the Park is located in Plaza de Cesar Chavez Park in downtown San Jose, near the intersection of Market Street and Park Avenue. COVID-19 considerations, as of my last update. Depending on the prevailing public health guidelines and restrictions, adjustments may be made to the event to ensure the safety of visitors. It's always a good idea to check the official Christmas in the Park website or local news sources for the latest information on dates, times, and any special guidelines or requirements related to COVID-19. Overall, Christmas in the Park is a beloved holiday tradition in San Jose, offering a festive and family-friendly atmosphere that captures the spirit of the season. It's a wonderful opportunity to enjoy the sights, sounds, and flavors of the holidays with loved ones. Find more vlogs at https://www.supats.com. Ready to transform your travel dreams with a sustainable digital income? Launch your digital business in a day with MRR e-courses. Scale effortlessly with nuBeginning Success. Tribe's comprehensive resources.